here. With the right skills, the right mindset, and the right support, you can rise. It is also deeply meaningful that we gather here in Ulundi at this historic old legislature. This place carries the legacy of leadership and vision shaped under Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi. It stands as a reminder that progress is built through courage, foresight, and a commitment to uplifting a people. It's always very fundamental that as a people, you must have vision about what you want to see regarding your future. And you must work towards that vision. I know here in Ulundi, osesizwe, ngoba ngahlala lapho nje isikhathi eside kakhulu. Ngo-1991 ngangihlala lapha endaweni engaka. Kodwa nangaphambi kwalokho ngafika lapho nje. Kungakabikho nje kusekhona amashoni isitolo lapha kusemashoni. Kwangama-80s ngalo sikhathi leso. But because Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi had a vision, where you see idolobha kwakuyizihlahla kwangekho ngisho. But because there was a leader who had a vision, today we have this Ulundi, which is growing from only becoming a town into becoming a city. I've seen the development that is taking place here in Ulundi. Ngibonile sekukhona ngisho Toyota abavulwayo lapho Ulundi okuyizinto ezinkulu kabi ezinto ezihle kakhulu. And I'm quite aware that as the provincial government, we are facilitating engagements so that we realize the dream or a vision of having a campus of a University of Zululand hosted here in Ulundi. Because zikhona lezo ndlela lezo. Ukuthi ungoye icampus yakhona enye izoba lapho ndini. And the introduction of a nursing college here in Ulundi. Ngoba kufanele kwakhiwe icollege lonesi khona lapha ondini. I think going forward, we'll convince stakeholders so that we get time frames and understand what are the reasons or causes of delays and understand the bottlenecks which are actually delaying this very important vision